Hi everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how I fixed an issue with a Canon copier that wasn't recognizing the cyan toner. When this happens, the machine might display a message saying the toner is missing or not detected. Most of the time, it's a simple fix. The first step is to open the toner access area and carefully remove the cyan toner cartridge. Give the cartridge a gentle shake from side to side. This helps to redistribute the toner inside and can sometimes solve detection issues. Next, have a close look at the chip on the toner. It's the small golden contact point. If there's any dust or toner powder on it, just wipe it gently with a clean, dry cloth. This ensures the copier can read the chip properly. Once that's done, reinsert the toner back into the machine, making sure it sits firmly in place. Close the cover and restart the copier if needed. After doing these steps, the copier successfully recognized the cyan toner and was ready to use again. So, if your Canon copier doesn't detect a toner, try removing it, giving it a gentle shake, cleaning the chip contacts, and reseating it. In most cases, this will fix the problem without needing a service call.